Pretty awesome, worked pretty good. I already got the NaTiddy mini chainsaw. It's cordless with rechargeable batteries. This was sent to me for evaluation purposes so I can show it to you, but all opinions are going to be my own. Let's take a closer look at this. I'll show you what you get with the kit, and then we'll test it out and see how it works. It comes in a really nice plastic case. It stores everything inside of here that you need. Everything you're going to use for this can be stored away, so it's great for storing away in your house or your garage or whatever. So let's open it up and take a look. A set of instructions that comes with it, and you're going to want to read through these before you use any type of chainsaw or tool like this. If you're not comfortable with doing it, you're going to want to consult with an expert first, and that's going to include tightening up the chain and everything. We get the mini chainsaw itself. Has a nice non-slip handle on here, and it has a brushless motor on it. You're just going to want to make a couple of adjustments on it first before you use it, just to be safe. Comes with a screwdriver, pair of safety glasses, which they're okay. Comes with a little bottle that you can put your chain lube in. Comes with a set of gloves. They've got little rubber things on here, but you're probably going to want a set of thicker gloves. You get a spare chain with it. And it comes with these batteries and this charger. And there are no lights on the batteries themselves. The charging port is right inside of there. And on the outside of the charger is a light. When you're charging it, it's going to be red, and when it's fully charged, it'll turn green. And these batteries do not come charged from the factory, so you are going to have to charge them up first before you use them. So the chainsaw itself has a little safety switch on here. The trigger can't be pulled unless the safety switch is activated. And before you put the battery in, just make sure the trigger is all the way out, just to be safe. It has a little baffle on top of here, a chain cover, so as you're cutting through a larger log, this is going to lift up on you. Inside of here, it has an adjustment screw to adjust the tightness on the chain. It comes with a screwdriver to do that. I'm not comfortable with that. The screwdriver works and all, but it keeps my hand too close to the blade when I'm doing the adjustment. So I'm going to use my own screwdriver, which is a little bit longer and allows me to get outside of the blade so I don't hurt my hand at all. So I'm going to adjust this, lube the chain. We'll take it outside, test it out on a couple of branches. All right, let's test it out. So I have lubed up the chain. I'm going to make sure the trigger can't be pulled, and we're going to insert the battery. I don't have any live trees to cut it on because it's in the middle of winter, but let's test it out on this limb I got here. I'm gonna go ahead and put this right on there, and here we go. Okay, that's pretty easy. Larger limb. Let's do something bigger. It's the larger end of that thing anyway. Here's the larger side of it. Yeah, it cuts right through that like butter. Wow. Try this guy right here. Like it was a real tree and we had to hold on to it. Works pretty good. Cut right through there. So yeah, check it out. Pretty awesome. Before you use it again, make sure your chain's at the right tightness and everything's where it's supposed to be. And as you can see, it cuts through the branches I had pretty easily. Something like this would be good for, pruning around the garden, small branches, bushes, maybe farms, maybe orchards. So if you're looking for a mini chainsaw for yourself or for that gardener or DIYer in your life, check out this one by NaTiddy.